Press Shift plus A and add a circle. Numpad, period key to zoom in and frame the selected circle. Tab into Edit mode. Numpad 1 for front orthographic view. Press E plus Z keys. Hold Ctrl and move the mouse to extrude on Z-axis as shown. Tab back into object mode. Add a bevel modifier and a subdivision surface modifier. Adjust bevel and subdivision surface modifier settings as shown. Go to front view by pressing Numpad 1. Press G, Z, and Numpad 1 keys to move the table top object 1 meters to the top. Next, we'll create the table legs. Press Shift plus A and add a cube. Scale it down as shown here. Press S key and type 0.5 to scale down the size by half. Press G plus Z key and type 0.5 to move the cube above the X-axis. Next, scale down to 1/10 on X-axis by pressing S and X keys and typing 0.1. Select the cube and tab into Edit mode. Press slash key to hide the rest of the objects. Enable Face Select and select the top face of the cube. Press Numpad 3 for side view. Press S and Y keys to scale along Y-axis as shown. Press slash to unhide the tabletop. Create a linked duplicate with Alt or Option plus D key. Left-click to confirm. Select the duplicate cube and press R and Z keys and type 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on Z-axis. Rename the objects as shown. Select the 3 objects in the outline and move them into their own collection. Press M key to create and move the object to new collection. Select both the table legs and then select tabletop. Press Ctrl plus P key to parent. Now the table model is ready.